Let us first discuss the homeworks. Question, page number 20, 1 to 12 was the homework. Page number 80, question number 1 to 12. First question.
Ma'am, 1 by x plus e power x.
ddx of log x plus ex. So individually, differentiation of log x?
1 by x.
Very good. Next, differentiation of 5 power x plus x power 5.
5 power x log 5 plus 5 x to the power 4.
Very good. 5 power x into log 5 plus 5 x to the power 4. Differentiation of 4x square minus 1 by x square. Here there are two methods. You can either apply quotient rule, but since in the denominator there is only one term, it would have been really advisable if you would have separated the terms first and now differentiating them. So 4 becomes 0 and this is minus 2 upon x cube. So directly 2 upon x cube. Even if you apply quotient rule, you should have got the same answer. No matter which method you adopt, the answer has to be 2 by x cube. टू एक्स बाई एक्स पर 4 आएगा एक्स एक्स कट जाएगा. अब ब्रैकेट खोला तो एक्स मल्टीप्लाई नहीं क्या होगा. फायदा तो बनता है मेरा करेक्ट होने का. Online done?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever there is only just one term in the denominator, always individually separate them and then divide, then differentiate. It becomes really easy for us to do this. Yeah. Next, what's the differentiation of question number 4? 6x. Directly. 5.
Minus
20 by x power 5.
Very good. Question number 6.
E to the power x into 1 by x plus log x into e to the power x.
Very good. So you'll apply product rule. There is no other way. That's the only way we have. Ex into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x. Differentiation of ex is ex. If you want, you can take common. We should always do that. It makes your sum beautiful. So always take common and do everything so that it looks a little more refined. एक बार पहले से माइनस भी तो x power 4 x square 8x 4x square minus 1 into 2x 8x cube minus 8x cube plus 2x upon x power 4. Guys, this time you are able to do the differentiation sums.
Yes, ma'am.
7. We are still a long way from 12. We are very much in 11 now. Question number 7. Differentiation of x square into 5 power x.
Ma'am, x into 5 power x in bracket 2 plus log 5 into x.
X square differentiation of 5x is 5x log 5 plus leave 5x. Differentiation of x square is 12. Taking x into 5x common, x log 5 plus 2. Not necessary, but it looks prettier. क्या आपको फॉर्मूला याद है? Next, 8. Differentiation of log x upon x square. We have, in this case, we have to apply quotient rule. There's no other way. So x power 4, x square, log x is 1 by x minus log x square becomes 2x. So cancelling it. Here we can take x common. So the final answer is 1 minus 2 log x upon x cube. Online, does it match?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 9. Differentiation of Ex upon x square. Again, quotient rule. So x square ka square. Leaving x square, differentiation of Ex. Minus leaving Ex, differentiation of x square. Taking x and Ex common. X minus 2 upon x power 4. We can cancel x. There's the final answer. Match हो? Online match हो रहा है? Does it match?
Yes, ma'am.
हम
Thank
एक
you.
सेकंड ऊपर जाओगे हम थोड़ा। हमने e पावर 4 से e पावर 3 कन्वर्ट किया ना आपने वहां नीचे डिनोमिनेटर।
X है ना वो तो।
हाँ वही सॉरी x पावर 4 से x पावर 3 किया आपने।
एक x काट दिया।
अच्छा ओके मैम अगर नहीं काटे तो भी चलेगा ना।
नहीं चलेगा आधा मत दे। Always have to write the differentiation thing and every calculus in simplest form. Not just calculus, every single sum in a simplest form.
ओके ओके
हो गया? 10. Differentiation of x square upon x power 5 plus 3. Proper quotient rules are. So denominator square. Leave the denominator. Differentiation of numerator. Minus leave the numerator. Differentiation of denominator. Multiply. 2x power 6. 6x minus 5x power 6. Then here in the denominator, you don't need to open the whole square. 3x power 6. Here, even if I take common, does it cancel? No. So it's okay if you do. But it's better to do that. But the mass doesn't get cut in case you have. That?
यस मैम
Any doubt?
नो मैम
Harshita, are you able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
It will be really nice to hear some replies. ddx x square plus 3x plus 1 upon x cube plus 5x square plus 2. Quotient 2. So x cube plus 5x square plus 2 whole square. I leave x cube plus 5x square plus 2. Differentiation of the numerator is minus. I leave the numerator. Differentiation of denominator. Now just multiply everything. The final answer.
minus x to the power 4 minus 6x power 3 minus 18x square minus 6x plus 6
Very good. Minus 18x square. You have to do this. There's no question. शुरू हुआ है. Next 12. ddx of a root x plus b log x upon px plus q. px plus q whole square. So I leave px plus q. Differentiation of the numerator. A upon 2 root x plus b by x minus. I leave a root x plus b log x. Differentiation of the denominator is p. px plus q. Taking LCM. LCM is 2x. So what do you multiply with root x to get x? A root x plus 2b. Is this part okay? Is this part okay? See, I had root x. What should I multiply to get x? Root x. Root x into root x is x. Clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Taking LCM again and opening up the bracket simultaneously. Minus a root x plus b log x, b into 2x. 2x goes below. Opening up the second bracket.
मैम एक सेकंड ऊपर जा सकते हो या ओके मैम
Multiply the second one again. 2ab x into root x, b square x log x upon this. Does anything get simplified?
No, ma'am.
So that's our answer. There are no like terms. The only thing that you can do if you want to is taking x root x common, not at all necessary. Plus 2 bpx plus aq root x plus 2 bq minus 2 b square x log x upon whole square. Not at all a necessary step. Online, any doubts still here in differentiation?
No, ma'am.
Hitansh,
No, ma'am.
Nisha,
नो मैम
now we'll do the most important rule, chain. Now, like product rule and quotient rule, this is not a particular formula. It's a concept. Whenever we say the formula, for example, ddx of root x, what's the formula of root x? What's the differentiation of root x?
1 by 2 root x.
1 by 2 root x. But instead of root x, if I give you under root 2 plus 3x, so I'll treat this question as root x. So the formula is 1 by 2 root x. But I'm saying x. But in the question, there is no x. Instead of x, what is written in the question? Instead of x, inside the root, there is no x. Inside the root, the value, the place of the x is being replaced by 2 plus 3x. So chain rule says, first apply the same formula. Now you need to give some importance to the fact that the value x was replaced with some other expression. So what does it replace? What is it replaced with? 2 plus 3x. So you multiply the differentiation of that expression in the numerator, always in the numerator. Root x is 1 upon 2 root x, but instead of x, your question has 2 plus 3x. So chain rule says, once you've applied the normal formula, differentiate that term again in the numerator. Now, what is the differentiation of 2 plus 3x?
3.
3
3. So 3 by 2 into 2 root over 2 plus 3. Supposingly, if I have to differentiate 2x minus 1 to the power 5. So if it would have been whole square, whole cube, I would have opened it. But whole power 5, we can, but why to go to so much of trouble? So we'll treat this as x power 5. And what is written instead of x?
2x minus
2x minus.
x minus 1
So we'll first treat it as x power 5. So the differentiation of x power 5 is
5x to the power 4.
5 x power 4 into differentiation of the term written instead of x. See, power 5 has already been treated. So the only thing that I need to differentiate again is the expression instead of x. So 5, 2x minus 1 whole power 4, differentiation of this. So 10, 2x minus 1 whole power 4. Is it okay?
Yes.
Mani, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Differentiation of e power 4x square minus 7x plus 2. How will I treat this?
E to the
E
power.
power x.
And what is written instead of x?
4x square minus 7x plus 2.
So first the formula of ex. Ex into differentiation of the term written instead of x. What is the differentiation of that term?
8x minus 7.
8x minus 7.
Very good. That's my answer. Understood? अब लिख क्यों नहीं रहा? Differentiation of 2 to the power x cube minus x plus 1. How will I treat this?
2 to the power x.
And what is written instead of x?
X cube minus x plus 1.
So first we'll apply the formula of 2x. The formula is
2 power x log 2.
2 power x log 2 into differentiation of the term written instead of x. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
What is the differentiation of that term?
3x minus 1.
3x square minus 1.
Oh, 3x square.
Oh, karo, gaya do mark. Be careful. Done? Done? Now, this chain rule can be applied in a product rule. It can be there in a sum. It can be there in a difference. It can be there in quotient rule. It can creep in anywhere whatsoever. So, okay. If I have differentiation of x minus root over x square minus 1. First, there is a minus.
No, you clear this, I'll ask.
So if there is a subtraction sign, we differentiate them individually. What's the differentiation of x? There's no chain rule applicable there. What's the differentiation of x?
1.
Minus, we have to differentiate this term. Now, in order to differentiate this term, chain rule will be applicable. How will I treat this?
Root x.
2x.
Root x. And what is written instead of x?
X square minus 1.
So, differentiation of root x is
1 by 2 root x.
root x into differentiation of x square minus 1. This is one term, one is a separate term. So 1 minus differentiation of x square minus 1
2x.
2x divided by 2 under root x square minus 2 gets cancelled. In this particular sum, it's not necessary to take LCM because nothing gets cancelled. If that was the case, then we have
Ma'am, log x plus 1 मतलब 1 by log x plus 1 मैम और ऊपर वो होगा अभी log into
differentiation of
log
x plus
x
1.
with-
जा रही रुको Good. What? Differentiation of log 2x square plus 3x plus 5. We will treat this as,
Log x.
and what is written instead of x?
2x square plus 3x plus 5.
So differentiation of log x
1 by x.
1 by x into differentiation of this term. Can we write directly?
Yes,
What's the
ma'am.
differentiation of that term?
4x plus 3.
That will be written in the numerator. Any doubts?
मैम बट अगर 2 लॉग आए तो
अरे झाड़ शांति नहीं है, धीरे धीरे आगे बढ़ेगा ना, कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। क्या हुआ? log x, log x का 1/x इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन एक ही बार में लिखती हूँ। 2x² प्लस 3x प्लस 5 को डिफरेंशिएट करने से क्या है? हम भी तो वही लिख रहे हैं। Done? Done? Okay. Now, differentiation of log x. So first, log x. This is my x. Hi, Anna. So instead of x, we have log x. So what's the differentiation of log x? So first I'll write it as 1 by into differentiation of x. My x was log x. Is this part understood?
Yes,
Online
ma'am.
problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, log x है तो ये पूरा white वाला मेरा x है। log x का 1/x होता तो 1 by white वाला into कौन x की जगह log x, उसका डिफरेंशिएशन फिर into किया। Now what is the differentiation of log x?
1 by x.
1 by x.
So 1 by x log x. Log x का differentiation log x. Done. What is the differentiation of log x whole square? Complete.
Two log x by x.
Yes, ma'am, 2 log x by x.
First x square. So x square becomes 2x. Now instead of x, we had log x. So the differentiation of log x will get multiplied. Differentiation of log x is online here.
Yes, ma'am.
It's not 4 power x. When you have x power 2 power 3, it means x power 8. When there are 3 flows, you start solving from the above flow. So first the above 2 flows will be satisfied in general MC. So here you cannot write this as 4 to the power x. That's wrong. Because you cannot merge a ground floor and a third floor. Clear? Now deal with this.
Ma'am, is it 2 to the power 2 to the power x log 2 into x to the power 2 to the power x log 2?
Very good. First we'll treat this as 2 to the power x. So this entire expression is x. What's the formula for 2 power x? So 2x log 2 into differentiation of the term that is written instead of x. Is this line okay? Online, is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 power x into log 2. Now what's the differentiation of this?
2 to the power x log 2.
So we have 2x, 2 power x into log 2 whole square. Whole square. Now this is a very common sum in an MCQ. So what we do in that term? Suppose you have differentiation of 3 times. You can directly write this. How many 2's are there? How many 2's are there?
3.
So it will have log 2 whole cube. First, write the same question. Remove 1, 2. Remove one more 2. No, you're not left with anything. So that's my final answer. It's always an MCQ question. 3 2 है इसलिए log 2 का cube. Write the question. Keep on removing 1 1 2. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Differentiate. X plus root over x square plus a square.
From answer x by root x square plus a square.
I said 1 plus 2x by 2 into root of x square plus x square.
First plus, so individual differentiation, x is 1 plus differentiation of this term. Now this term will be treated as root x, and instead of x, we have x square plus a. Now this one has no role to play with the second term. Differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x into differentiation of the term written instead of x. So 1 plus 1 upon 2 root over x square plus a square. Differentiation of this term is 2x. It's not getting multiplied with 1. So 2 gets cancelled. Answer is 1 plus x upon under root x square plus a square. Online, did you all get your mistakes?
No, 1 को consider करना भूल गया.
हम
Yes.
मैम हम ए स्क्वायर कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे.
A square का differentiation तो 0 है. Constant है ना?
हाँ ओके मैम.
Right? Stepping it up a little. The part 10.
हम डबल चेन रूल आ रहा है. कंप्लीट.
Completed, ma'am.
Once. First, we'll treat this as x power 10. So it's 10. This entire term is x right now. 10 x to the power 9. into differentiation of the term instead of x. Is this part clear?
हाँ मैम.
Now, this is basically the previous question. 10 x plus under root x square plus a square to the power 9. So for x, I'm writing 1 plus. Now this will be treated as root x. So 1 upon 2 root x. What is the term instead of x? X square plus a square. What is the differentiation of that? And that will only be for the second term. It has no role to play with 1. Clear? Clear? Online clear?
हाँ मैम. मैम 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा.
हाँ, कर ली एक सेकंड. Till here it's okay.
Yes मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 gets cancelled. In this case, I have to take LCM. So under root x square plus a square plus x. Is this part understood? बता रहे थे. Now you notice this thing. Same base multiply, power will be added. So here power 9, here power 1. So it will become again power 10. Online, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this case, taking LCM is important. That's why what we do is we always simplify. Because how can we know that whether we should or we should not? So it's better to always do these things. If it leads to a different answer, good. If it doesn't, that's it. Online done?
Yes, ma'am.
Try this. Differentiation of x plus under root x square minus 1 to the power n.
Completed मैम.
Online done?
Yes, ma'am.
First, we'll treat it as x power n. So it's n x power n minus 1. We'll differentiate the term that is written instead of x. N x plus under root x square minus 1 power n minus 1. Differentiation of x is 1 plus. This will be root x. It will be treated as root x. Root x is 1 by 2 root x. What is the term instead of x? So x square minus 1 when differentiated gives us 2x. 2 gets cancelled. LCM under root x square minus 1 plus x. So same base, multiply, power add. So here there is no power, so 1. N minus 1 plus 1. The power will become n upon root x square minus 1. Online?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Any doubts? One more similar sum. Log
मैम 1 सेकंड ऊपर ओके मैम
Okay, first differentiate this term. There's a doubt here. यहाँ पर इससे और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सम होगा लेकिन ये फाउंडेशन है उसका
Is the answer 10x?
That's it.
Ma'am, is it 10 into root x?
The root x square plus a square is getting cancelled, ma'am.
But is it to power 10? So it will be 8.
Wait, everyone. Let's all go back to basics.
Sorry.
Everyone
Okay,
stop.
okay, sorry.
No, not even you. Everyone is wrong. Even Vedansh is wrong. Stop right here. What do you mean when I say nth root of x? Let's go back to indices. Nth root of x, x power 1 by n. Square root of x means? Agreed? So the rule of differentiation or simplification, then differentiation. I guess I mentioned it quite a lot of times. So x square plus a square root means to the power 1 by 2 and 10. So the power gets cancelled and it becomes x square plus a square to the power 5. Now I cannot simplify it anymore. So it will be treated as x power 5. 5 x power 4 into differentiation of the term written instead of x. The differentiation is 2x. So the final answer is 10x, x square plus a square to the power 4. Did anyone do this?
समझा नहीं मैम कैसे मतलब
रूट हटा दो पहले. 2 पावर लेके क्यों चलूंगी मैं? रूट मतलब पावर हाफ और पावर 10 उन्होंने पहले दिया है. तो हाफ और 10 तो 5 भी तो हुआ.
It's wrong if you don't simplify.
What Abhinaya?
Wrong, ma'am. If you don't simplify and proceed with the answer, it's a wrong way to. Ma'am, is it a wrong way of doing if you don't simplify?
You will, because does your answer and my answer match?
मैम अगर हमारे आंसर में हम रूट निकाल दे लाइक रूट के लिए 1/2 लिख दे तो सेम है.
Simplify your answer and get it to the simplified value, no problem.
तो जो हमने किया वो गलत है मैम.
गलत नहीं है. लेकिन if you sometimes like your answer has to be simplified a lot to get here, but you have to do that. You cannot leave a thing. Can I ever leave a sum in this power? Can I leave it here?
नहीं मैम.
No, we have to write x power 6. Similarly, how can you leave x square plus a square with two different powers? That's not possible. So you have to simplify. And I'm telling you about this because this sum still you can simplify later. But some of the sums you won't even get the answer if you don't simplify. I'll give you an example right now. One sec. करना है वही मैंने बोला. Is this done? Online done? Can I move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you differentiate this? Remember, simplification, then differentiation, if it's possible. Online, any idea?
Yes, ma'am. 8e 8x. 8e power 8x.
How?
Ma'am, e power 5x plus e power 3x को add
Is not
करके
e
e
power
power
8x.
You can't write that.
ठीक रहेगा वापस मोहित. एक मिनट.
न्यूमरेटर जो है उसका ऐड करके e power 8x लिख सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं लिख सकते. वो तब लिख सकते हैं अगर बीच में इंटू होता.
ओके मैम.
पावर ऐड तभी होता है अगर बेस मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हो.
ओके.
बोलिए ताज.
So here it will be 15x.
How?
A power m plus a power n equal to a power m into n.
Or else we can do
2.3.
like,
One sec. What's the formula to use here? This is 8 plus 32, 40, the actual answer. Can I write this as 2 power 8? Wait, 1 sec. Can I write this as 2 power 8? No. So that's incorrect. Can I write this as 2 power 15? No, ma'am. No. Can I write this as 4 power 8?
No ma'am.
None of the indices formula is applicable. None.
मैम आंसर e power 4x है क्या?
हाँ. डिफरेंशिएट नहीं किया ना आपने भी.
हाँ मैम. मैम बट कैसे आ नहीं आ रहा हूँ.
आपको कैसे मालूम आया ये 1 और 4x?
मैम वो अगर 3x है तो उसको अगर e⁴ बाहर निकालेंगे तो -x आ जाएगा उधर।
वही करने वाले e⁴ 4x. So from 5x you have taken 4x outside, 1x remains. But from 3x you have taken 4x outside. That means you have taken an extra number. So -x remains. These two gets cancelled. So now you have to differentiate e⁴. It's a very famous sum. Very good. Now the differentiation is ex. Instead of x, we have 4x. So the differentiation becomes 4. 4 e⁴. So here, if you don't simplify, no matter what simplification you do, you won't get this answer. So in differentiation, it's a rule. First simplification, then differentiation. So you need a lot of practice to just look at the question and realize, ki, okay, I can simplify.
मैम
Yes.
ये e⁴x तक समझ गया मैम, ये भी आ गया मुझे, पर ये 4 आगे कैसे समझ?
Ex का ex, but instead of x, we have 4x, na?
अच्छा ओके,
Into differentiation of 4x, which is 4.
समझा।
And we cannot take e to the power x common from denominator. We cannot take e to the power x common from denominator, right?
Then you will have e⁴x plus e⁻²x.
Okay, ma'am.
You can do that. Then you have to also take similarly in the numerator also. You could have done long division also. What you could have done is long division also. Long division also, you would have got the same answer. Okay, differentiate. Going back to basics. Differentiate.
And 1 by root of x square plus a square.
Very good.
Yes मैम, 1/√x² plus
First, we'll treat it as log x. Log x is 1 by x. Instead of x, we have x plus root over x square plus a square. 1 by x plus root over x square plus a square. Differentiation of x is 1. Root x, 1 by 2 root x square plus a square. And x square plus a square is 2x. Huh? 1 by x plus root over x square plus a square. Taking LCM. Under root x square plus a square plus these two gets cancelled. 1 by under root x square plus a square. Online?
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Question. Differentiation of log x plus root over x square plus a square whole power 10.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, is it 10 into log x plus root of x square plus a square to the power 9 by root of x square plus a square?
Yes. We'll first treat this as x power 10. This is x power 10. So 10 x to the power 9 into differentiation of the term written inside the bracket. Now this is the previous one. So I'm directly writing the answer. The answer of that will be 1 by root over x square plus b square. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Differentiate. Answer. Differentiate this. First tell me how we will do it. Only then use your.
U by V.
First you rationalize this. First rationalize this. First rationalize your term. To rationalize, you already had a minus b. We'll multiply it with a plus b. Numerator, it will become whole square. Numerator, a square plus b square plus 2ab. And the denominator, it's a square minus b square. Is this okay till you? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ddx 2x plus 2, multiplying both of them, x square minus 1 upon 1. Taking common and cancelling it. So I'm left with x plus under root x square minus 1. Now you differentiate. Again, the same problem. If you're differentiating in the first line, you will never get this answer. Differentiate it now.
Ma'am, x by root x square minus 1.
अब फिर से 1 बोल गए.
हम इन सम्स में एलसीएम लिखना जरूरी है, मतलब एलसीएम करके.
अगर कुछ कट नहीं रहा हो तो. So differentiation of x is 1, root x, 1 by 2 root x. And for x square minus 1, the differentiation is, so 2 gets cancelled, 1 plus x upon under root x square minus 1. Yes? Online?
1 second, can you scroll up?
Sorry.
1 second, can you scroll up? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Do 3 sums. Then we'll move to a new variety. ddx of root 2x minus 3. ddx of 3x square minus 5x plus 1 to the power 7. ddx of under root x square plus 1 minus x. Under root x square plus 1 plus x. Differentiate. Done. Answer the first one.
1 by root 2x
2x minus 3.
Next. 7 into 6x minus 5 into 3x squared minus 5x plus 1 to the power 6. You can multiply these two also. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
For the third one, we have to first
simple try करते हैं.
rationalize. So, whole square. Denominator a plus b, a minus b, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Denominator a square minus b square. X square gets cancelled. So we are left with 2x square plus 1 minus 2x into root over x square plus 1. Till here it's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the differentiation of 2x square is 4x. 1 is 0. Here we have to apply product rule. So I'll leave x. Differentiation of root x square plus 1. 1 by 2 root x square plus 1 into 2x plus under root x square plus 1 into 1. So it's 4x minus 2 x square upon under root x square plus 1 plus root over x square plus 1. Yes? Online, is it okay?
Ma'am, the conjugate we usually take it for the numerator.
Denominator.
Okay.
So because we want to remove variable from the denominator.
मैम तो मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर से करना है ना?
मल्टीप्लाई डिनोमिनेटर के ऑपोजिट साइन से करना है. नीचे में a प्लस b था, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय a माइनस b.
अच्छा ओके.
Product rule. I left x, differentiation of root x square plus 1 plus I left root x square plus 1, differentiation of x plus 1. एक सेकंड, आया ही नहीं है फाइनल आंसर. हाँ, ऑनलाइन till here it's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
Do we need to take LCM here?
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
No,
Yes.
we have to.
Yes ma'am.
This becomes x square plus 1. So this becomes 4x minus 2, 2x square plus 1 upon root over x square plus 1. Because it gets simplified. Now, if you want to take 2 common, take, otherwise don't. That's your choice.
मैम बहुत जरूरी है करना मैम.
ये करना जरूरी है LCM वाला.
अच्छा.
Because you can simplify after taking LCM, right?
Yes ma'am.
Done? Is page number 80, 13 to 51. That's it.